Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a professional thumbnail using Ideogram AI tool and software. Let me go here, ChatGPT, and after that now I want to add a sample thumbnail that I want to create. This one is the thumbnail that I want to use and create a new thumbnail using AI. So first of all, let me upload that thumbnail file, this one, and here let me type create exact prompt for this thumbnail. And within few seconds you will get a professional thumbnail. Now let me go and open ideogram.ai. Here you can go and search for Ideogram. This one is the official website, ideogram.ai. Now I can copy this prompt, and here you can see the text. You can change any of the text in your prompt. Let me copy it, and after that add it here. Okay, aspect ratio is fine, 16:9. You can also generate for 9:16, that is recommended for the short videos. For example, here I want to change empowering and you can also change this text, this one. After that, here you can select aspect ratio, number of images, let me select 1. Okay, after that click on generate button. Now here you can see on the right side it has started working on it, and within a minute you will get a professional thumbnail ready to use. So guys, here you can see thumbnail is ready, and it is using the text that we have changed in our prompt. So now the final step is, if you want to replace this image, you can go back here, add the thumbnail, and then you can also add your own picture. Then ChatGPT will replace with your images on this thumbnail. Next method, you can go on Canva, and here you can use grab property. So that will easily capture this image from this thumbnail, and it will allow you add your own profile image on this thumbnail. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe YouTube channel.